This week's tip, I'm going to be showing you how to safely remove bugs from your vehicle surface using Optimum No Rinse and Optimum Power Clean.
Optimum tip of the week.
During your travels, you may pick up a lot of bugs and insects on the front of your vehicle, and they just kill the appearance. Plus, they're not great for your clear coat either, as they can induce etching into the clear coat, which cannot be removed. So to safely remove those, first we're going to be using the Big Red Sponge and Optimum No Rinse. It's going to apply the No Rinse to the surface with the Big Red Sponge and allow it to emulsify and break down the dirt and loosen up the bug grime a little bit. Then we're going to follow with Optimum Power Clean, spraying the surface with the Optimum Power Clean, and we're going to give it a few seconds to dwell and break down, loosen up the bug guts. We also have the Optimum Power Clean diluted at 1 to 3. So don't use it full strength. 1 to 3 is safe for the vehicle's painted surface. Then after it's dwelled for a few seconds, we're going to take a nice dampened O&R microfiber towel and simply agitate the bugs. Then after we've loosened up the bug guts, we're going to want to follow again with the Big Red Sponge and Optimum No Rinse to help rinse away the Power Clean, and then follow with a nice clean dry waffle weave drying towel. So there you have it, a quick and easy tip on how to remove bug guts from your vehicle's surface with Optimum No Rinse and Optimum Power Clean. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, have an optimum day.
Optimum tip of the week.